Hi, yeah, we are gathered here today for the remembrance of the Black ethnic minority veterans. We are kind of commemorating those people who sacrificed their lives in bettering the society, the community, the country, and then the Commonwealth. They've been kind of forgotten into the space of being remembered. So we are here to refocus those, highlight those veterans who fought for the country and who kind of sacrificed their lives for the betterment of the country. So yeah, it is very, very important for those people to be recognized as well, and their families to be recognized, so that they can gain confidence to know that their ancestors or their foreparents have also helped and contributed to the betterment of the community and the country and everyone involved, as we remember all those who sacrificed for their lives.